What does the S in Samsung's Galaxy S stand for?
Have you ever thought about that?
Speed. That would be my first guess.
Yeah, apparently Samsung still doesn't know.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Samsung Galaxy phones have become as ubiquitous as iPhones, and that S is pretty ubiquitous too. Okay, yeah. Well, S has been used in the past, like car companies will use S.
For
Right?
speed. Like in that sense, right? Like there's a general
Yeah, but
thinking
also
there.
sometimes letters just get used like S class, Mercedes S class,
Right.
E class,
I guess
C
for
class.
cars, maybe it makes a little bit more sense.
Actually,
I don't know.
wait, when it comes to when it comes to Mercedes, it's just where the further along the letter is, the more luxurious the car. Like C class, or B class, A, B, C.
Right.
I mean, not every letter is represented. Wait, so G though, you can get a G wagon. It's very expensive, but that comes way before S. There's some interesting stuff going on over there.
Mm-hmm.
EVs, EQS. It's an S class. Yeah, the EQS we had in here was an S class, and that was a crazy luxury. But I don't know. It is funny that they don't have an answer for it.
No.
What do they say?
Vibrant.
What?
It's kind of like a representation.
No. Come on, Will. What's going on here?
People say it's speed.
That's what I said.
Yeah, guys in the chat are saying that as well.
Super smart.
Smart, super, speed.
Any positive word that starts with an S.
Yeah.
Super, smart, speedy, attractive.
Guy said Smeagol.
Cool. Yeah, no, okay. Well, maybe one day we'll find out. We should ask
Yeah,
Samsung.
one day.
You talk to people at Samsung? Ask them for the official line. We'll update this
I'll ask
show.
Mr. Samsung.
We'll get to the bottom of it for you guys.
Yeah.